Hey, to forward calls on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you will have to open your phone dialer, which is located here. Then click on the three dots in the right upper corner and open Settings. Then you'll have to go into the calling accounts and pick one of your SIM card. Then tap on the call forwarding. Now we have to wait for the reading settings. It actually takes around like 10 to 15 seconds. And we already can find some options like always forward, when busy, when unsweard. And the last one, I just forget what it was, but let's wait for this then. Screen, there we go, and when unreachable. So now we can set, if you always want to forward your calls, you can just click here, input the number to which one the call will be forward, or for example when busy, like that, and then click to turn on. Now you have to wait for the updating settings, and after a few moments it will be finished. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.